Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Jeep Compass steering wheel. First, ensure your key is fully inserted into the ignition. Next, gently apply slight pressure, wiggling the steering wheel from side to side. While doing this, simultaneously turn the key to the on or ACK position. This action should disengage the steering lock mechanism, allowing you to start your vehicle smoothly and without any fuss. Sometimes, the steering wheel might still feel stuck. A common reason is the gear selector not being fully engaged in park or neutral. Always double-check this. Also, a slightly worn key can sometimes struggle to turn the ignition cylinder. If you have a spare, try that. Remember, never use excessive force on the key or the steering wheel, as this could cause damage to the ignition system. The steering wheel lock is a clever security feature designed to prevent theft. It automatically engages when you remove your key from the ignition, securing the steering wheel in place. This makes it nearly impossible to steer the vehicle without the correct key. Understanding this mechanism helps you troubleshoot, knowing you're dealing with a security measure, not a malfunction. If, after several attempts, your key still won't turn and the steering wheel remains stubbornly locked, it might be time to seek professional help. There could be an underlying issue with the ignition cylinder or the steering column itself. It's always best to contact a certified Jeep service technician. They have the specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and safely resolve more complex problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.